What's up guys, it's me Louise, and guess what? Today Moj Moj has sent me the surprise crunchies. Oh my gosh guys, they sent me a whole box of 36. I am so thankful. Ooh, there's a little note here, let's see what it says. Hey Louise, we hope you love the new Moj Moj Crunch as much as we do. I do. Don't forget there's also Ultra Rare Glitter Crunch. Can you find them? Wow! Ultra Rare Glitter Crunch. Amazing. Thanks for the little letter. I love the handwriting. So guys, I can't wait to get started. I hope I find the Ultra Rare. I haven't opened any of these yet, but looking at this one, really cute. Oh, I've got a little phone. This is like the grabbing machine you might have seen in my Christmas video. Let's open our first one. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go Louise, you can do it. This is going to be amazing. First thing I noticed, they come in these big plastic boxes. How cute. Wow, look how cute these are guys. This is clear and this is solid colour. Oh wow. So guys, you've got 2 blind bags in here and a checklist. Okay, I'm going to open the blind bag first. I can't wait. It's a unicorn! Oh, how cute! Ooh. So cute, got some wings and a butt tattoo. Woo, love it. Let's have a look at the next blind bag. Oh, what's this? Oh, I think it's a piece of scenery. We go here, and then we got, ooh, some space. These are cool. They look space rockets. I think we're supposed to put the scenery in the box. How cute! Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Let's go look at the chapters and see which one I got. Oh, I got it! It's in Crispities. Crispities. Oh, how cute. Here's the checklist, guys. Let's open another one. I think these are absolutely amazing. Love them. Love them. One's a blue. Oh, we've got some red blind bags. Let's open. See what friend our unicorn can get. Oh my gosh, this feels weird. Feels like something different in something different inside. Look, this one has foam beads. So guys, this is a great little kitty with some cute little whiskers and a little tail on its butt. Ooh, I love her. Let's see what scenery this one's got. Oh guys, don't they look so cute? Put our little kitty inside it. This is in Cosmic Crunch. Yeah, that's what club this one's in. Let's open another one. Okay, let's open this one. See what I got. I see some cool scenery in there. Whoa! Look at that! How cute. Fishbowl beads. So guys, this one looks so cool. It isn't even on the checklist though. Look at that little thunderbolt though. How cute. OMG guys, guess what we've just found out? This is actually an ultra rare one. The ultra rare one she was talking about and telling us. I hope you find it. And we did. Mission complete. So I love these so much. I'm going to open another one. I love these. Scrunchies are the best. They are so cute. Okay guys, so let's open it. Oh my gosh guys, look! This is the one Mum thought it was. It's a koala bear. Totally twinning. So guys, this one's in Cosmic Crunch. As you can see, it's got foam beads inside. I'm going to take one for good luck. Let's get into it. I'm excited. Look at its back. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it smells good. Oh my god. Some weird sandy stuff in it. This is in the Softies Club. How cute. He's our little puppy. So guys, another thing I really like about these is you can store them up with their little scenery. Look how cute my little collection is. I've got many more to open. Okay guys, look how cute they are guys. I had so much unboxing these today with you guys. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye! Hey, bye, bye, bye. Bye!